Hi everyone, welcome back to Miller Music Studios TV. Today we're going to start using our flashcards. The flashcards that you want to get for this course are Alfred's piano course, and it's A-B because you're going to be able to use these for both levels, A and B. Find numbers 7 through 11, and let's begin with actually 9. Because that's C. So you see on the bottom of the card it says 9 and it says play a C. But here's the game. Put this on the piano and find all of your C's. Start at the bottom, and this is a group of 2 black keys just like in the picture, and X marks the spot. So that's C, then put it here and find C. In the next group of 2 black keys, line them up, play C, X marks the spot, here's a C, the next group of 2 black keys, line them up, C, the next group of 2 black keys, line them up, C, and the next group of 2 black keys, C. And you know, there should have been a group of 2 black keys up here, but they ran out of room. This is a C also, because that should have been a group of 2. You can tell because you see the pattern. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. And here's the C. Now let's go to number 10. And this is how you play a D. Turn it over, X marks the spot. So there's a saying, high dum diddle, D's in the middle. It's in the middle of the group of 2 black keys. So we have D, move it up to the group of 2 black keys, right in the middle, X marks the spot, D, here's another group of 2 black keys. We're still using our left hand because we're to the left of middle C, D. Now we're going to switch to our right hand because here's middle C, and to the right of middle C we use our right hand. To the left of middle C we use our left hand. So here's a D. Go to the next group of 2 black keys, play a D, X marks the spot. The next group of 2 black keys, X marks the spot, D. The next group of 2 black keys, X marks the spot, D. And since that should have been a group of 2 black keys, there would have been a D up there, but they ran out of room. Now we go to E. We're going to play an E. You see it's to the right of the group of 2 black keys. This is number 11 of your flashcards. You turn it over, X marks the spot. So we have, with our left hand, here's 1, 2 black keys to the right of it. There's E. Okay, let's move this up. E. Let's move it up. E. Now we're going to change hands because now we're to the right of middle C. See, we're this way. So to the right of the group of 2 black keys, X marks the spot. Here's E. Next group of 2 black keys, E. Next group of 2 black keys, E. Next group of 2 black keys, E. And that's it. Now we go to card number 12. Play an F. Look at that. Now we have a group of 3 black keys. You find F to the left of the 3 black keys. X marks the spot. So this is the first full group of 3 black keys. So put it behind there, and you could even do this. 1, 2, 3, there's F. F is to the left of the group of 3 black keys. Now go to the next group of 3 black keys, F. Let's find the next group of 3 black keys, moving our way up the keyboard, F. There's middle C, so I'm going to change hands. There's our group of 3 black keys. Here's my F. Skip over that group of 2 to this group of 3 black keys, F. Skip over that group of 2 to this group of 3 black keys, F. And here we have our highest group of 3 black keys, F. This is card number 13. Play a G. Now G's are a little trickier. You find the group of 3 black keys, and G is in between the first and second of the group of 3 black keys. So here, X marks the spot for our G's. So put your card behind the lowest full group of 3 black keys, and you see 1, 2, 3 black keys. In between the first and second of the group of 3, X marks the spot. That's how you find G. So move it up to the next group of 3 black keys, G. Next group of 3 black keys, G. The next group of 3 black keys, change hands, because now we're to the right of the middle C. That's middle C, see? So this is to the right, so we use our right hand. Here's G, and we move it up to the next group of 3 black keys, line it up behind them. There's G, and here's a higher group of 3 black keys, G, and the highest of all is right here, and there's our high G. Now go back to card number 7. That is A. Now, like G, A is a little tricky because you have to find the group of 3 black keys, and it's in between the second and third of the group of 3. X marks the spot. And here's something even trickier. Look at this. There's a group of 3. That's a group of 2. This would have been a group of 3 down here. That means that this one is A. You see how X marks the spot? A is just before the third black key. 1, 2, 3. The A is just before it. So that would have been, let's use our left hand here. That would be 1, 2, 3 black keys. So the very first white key on the full keyboard of 88 keys is an A. If you have a smaller keyboard, then the first one might be a C, but you can use your cards to figure that out. Okay, so here's how we find our A. Count 1, 2, 3 black keys, and in between the second and third of the 3 black keys is A. We'll move it up to the next group of 3 black keys. Here's A. Next group of 3 black keys, still with our left hand. X marks the spot. This one is A. There's middle C, so I'm going to change hands. Now my right hand is going to find A. And here's another group of 3 black keys higher. There's A. And another group of 3 black keys higher. This is A. And the highest of all, there's our group of 3 black keys way up high. And there's A. One more letter to go, and that is B. To find a B, go to card number 8. You'll see that it is to the right of the group of 3 black keys. So we'll turn the card over. X marks the spot, and as you know, that should have been a group of 3 black keys, but they ran out of room. Let's use our left hand. It's to the left of middle C. 1, 2, 3 black keys. So B is the second white key on the piano if you have a full 88 key keyboard. Okay, now watch this. 1, 2, 3, B. B is to the right of the group of 3 black keys. Want to do that again? 1, 2, 3, B. And another one for the left hand. 1, 2, 3, B. There's middle C again, so I'm going to change hands. There's my group of 3 black keys. Shall we keep playing it? 1, 2, 3, B. Another group of 3 black keys. 1, 2, 3, B. Another group of 3 black keys. 1, 2, 3, B. And the highest B of all. 1, 2, 3, B. There. Now we found all of our ABCs on the keyboard, And no matter how many keys you have on your keyboard or on your piano's keyboard, you'll be able to find your ABCs now, right? Okay, review that every day, because that is the key to finding and reading notes. You'll read the ABCs on the paper and you'll know exactly where they are on the keys. Okay, happy practicing. Here's your kiss. Bing.